Hello, friends. Emerald here with the EMERA Group of Keller Williams, and I have an exciting announcement. I want to announce the much anticipated revival of the class series, Shhtuff They Didn't Teach Us in School. I've missed y'all, and I'm thrilled to bring essential knowledge that everyone should have but rarely gets taught. First up on our comeback list is Myth Busted Insurance Edition. Ever wonder what actually is covered by your homeowner's insurance? Well, you might be surprised, and not always pleasantly. Get insider info straight from home insurance specialist Matthew Bird and discover those sneaky exclusions in your policy that could end up costing you big if you aren't aware. This is information you definitely don't want to miss, so join us September 14th at the all-new Keller Williams Urban Dallas downtown from noon to 1, and yes, lunch is on us just like last time. Learning doesn't stop there. The following week on September 21st, join us from 11:30 to 12:30 for Property Taxes 101. Learn how to save yourself from the tax man and keep more money in your pocket starting today. We'll dive into strategies to reduce your property taxes and what to do if you're already facing a tax lien or a tax lawsuit. It's practical, it's urgent, and could save your home. So, mark your calendars, bring your questions, and let's demystify the stuff they never taught us in school together. See you soon.